Okay, so we are now getting ready to pick some corn here, and the corn that I'm looking for is when the silks are like this and they're bristly and they're dark. Like this one is a little brown, and this one is still soft and moist and yellow. So the ones that we need to pick are the ones that have like coarse hair, coarse silks, and it's dark. And this one meets that requirement. So we're going to pick this corn. I'm going to look at some others. And this is another one. Oh, that one's a little bit too brown still. This one is bristly, so that should be picked. So we're going to look at other ones. We have two that we know we can pick. This one over here is kind of brown. I guess this is probably ready to go. I might give that till tomorrow maybe. I'll do that one now. This one is coarse. You see it has like dust on it, so it's it's ready to go. All right, so and this one looks definitely, that one's should be already picked. So some other ones. That one's not ready to go. You can still see the gold on the top. This one is not ready. This one should be ready to go. I picked the other one from the other cob last week. So this one definitely should be ready to go. I'm going to pick that one first and see what that one looks like, and then I'll know from the other corns. So this one looks like it's ready to go. So the problem is when I have the corn on the cobs on the stalk, usually each stalk has two cobs on it, and I'm afraid of picking them too early without the other one being completely ready. Like this one here is just about ready, but this one is not. So we're going to look at some more on the other side. Let's go look over here. And there's the rose blossoms, pink rose. And I think there's a couple that are here on this that are ready to go. Like this one here looks like it's just about ready. And here is another one. So we're going to harvest some corn. That one over there too. But you see the other one on the bottom there, that one's not ready to go. Okay, so we're going to pick that one over here in the corner. There's a little assassin bug there. Hope the assassin bug's getting busy eating all the other bugs. I think that's an assassin bug. I hope it is. So we focus it in. Yeah, focus in. There he is. I'm hoping that's an assassin bug, because I'm not going to leave him. Not going to mess with them, because usually the assassin bugs you can tell from their faces like that, and they have the two little things in the back. Sometimes beetles like they go in these bushes, like that one. They get a little pinch. I'm going to kill that beetle. The Japanese beetles are horrible for roses. All right, so we're going to pick this corn over here, because that one looks like the most ripe from this stalk. So I want to see what this looks like. Hopefully we got a ripe corn. And like I said, the stalk has already been harvested with the other one. So we're going to look at the corn and see what it looks like. Gypsy, stay up here. Hey, get up here. All right, so let me open this, see what it looks like. Oh, good. Look at that. Nice cobs, kernels on the corn. And that is definitely edible. The kernels are edible on that. So I now know that one stalk is now used up. I don't think there's any more stalks, cobs will be growing on this stalk. So I can let that one go. But I do know that the cobs are good, and I'm gonna pick the rest of them tomorrow. But we know like we got at least one. That's good. So I don't know where I picked the other cob from the other stalk. So I picked 2 of them last week, and I think this might be it. I don't know if this is the corn I picked on that one. There's only one corn on this though, so I don't know if this is another cob growing on this one or not. I don't see another cob. I don't know if I picked this one. All right, so this one is a little bit brown, so I'm gonna let that one go. So I'm gonna go look at this one here. That one's dry. And so is this one. That one's a little bit moist though. No, it's not really dry, it's a little bit moist. I wish I remembered where I picked that other cob from the other stalk. There was a stalk here I picked. I don't know which one it was. But this one feels a little, doesn't feel fully dry. It looks big though. Or maybe, see, this one has a stalk growing. I'm always afraid to pick the cob without picking the other one. This one feels dry, so I'm going to pick this one. Hopefully this is good. All right, so let's look at this. Let's look at the kernels on this one. Okay, so I picked 3 cobs. That's all I'm going to pick today, but they look good. Nice and edible cobs.